What will be your tips on how to turn this lockdown into an opportunity to make our relationships better, invest and nourish in our relationships, basically?
Stop comparison. The most important factor of creating anxiety in people in today's time is that what the others are doing and I'm not able to do it, and I am feeling more I am more depressed, my family is having more of issues, not the other one. So everybody's on the same platform, let's get it. It's instead, the actors and actresses, let's not go on that platform at all. So stop comparison. Second, very important thing, use very beautiful language at home, because yes, the frustration is there, but the moment you speak with your words in a very different way, in a rude way, in a stressed way, if by chance you speak it, please go and make that as well. If you have spoken something bad, it's very important to make it up, because you don't have an outlet right now, you're not going out anywhere, so it's important to make up. So language usage is very, very important. Then give space to each other, stop creating lot of routines. People are thinking that, if you have a very good routine from day to night, then tomorrow I'll follow the same, third day I'll follow the same. It's not like that. Every day is different, because things are virtual, you don't know what is coming up right now. So as per your schedule, just be a little more flexible with people in your house, and don't just keep nagging everywhere, do this and that. So be flexible with the space as well. Then find out new opportunities for your job, because it's not important right now that what job are you doing. If you are getting something to find out time to utilize your skills, please do that, instead of thinking that I need to become a very senior manager right now and I won't take any other job till then. Then last but not the least, the most important thing is we have to be very steady, we have to be very slow with everything. There's no rush right now to achieve something. So take up some studies, do some courses, and we all are so lucky, trust me, we are getting so many online classes right now, free of cost, or maximum of 9900 rupees, some are for 500 as well. So please enroll yourself in that and keep studying. That will kill the time, and that will really make you knowledgeable and more mature.